Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate at home. Making your own chocolate is a rewarding process, allowing you to control every ingredient. You'll need high-quality cocoa beans, cocoa butter, and a sweetener of your choice. Having the right equipment, such as a good grinder or food processor, is also crucial for achieving a smooth, delicious result. Let's get started on this sweet journey. The first step is roasting your cocoa beans, which develops their rich flavor. Roast them at approximately 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. After roasting, cool the beans completely. Next, you'll winnow them, which means cracking the roasted beans and separating the outer shells from the inner cocoa nibs. This step is essential for a smooth chocolate texture. Once you have your clean cocoa nibs, it's time to grind them. Use a melanger or a powerful food processor to grind the nibs into a thick, liquid cocoa liquor. During this process, gradually add your cocoa butter and sweetener, like sugar, to the mixture. Conching, which is continuous grinding and mixing, is vital. It refines the texture and enhances the flavor over several hours. The final steps involve tempering and molding your homemade chocolate. Tempering is crucial for a beautiful, shiny finish and a satisfying snap when broken. You'll heat the chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it to 82 degrees, and finally warm it slightly again. Pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into your desired molds and let it set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.